Hello and welcome my dear students. I am back for you people with today's interesting revision science lecture. My dear little champs, how are you all? I hope you are following my every lecture and you are doing all the revision work given to you, all the writing work given to you, you are doing it regularly. My dear students, today I have brought one interesting thought, as I have told you to share few beautiful thoughts daily if you have, so I can bring it on the screen and I can display your name. But since many days I have not got the thought, I know because the exams are approaching, maybe that is the reason why you are so much busy in your work. Anyways, not to worry, I have brought one interesting thought for you. Let us read it. The most difficult task is to make everybody happy. The simplest task is to be happy with everyone. Purpose is the same, spread happiness. So whether you be happy with everyone or you make everyone happy, purpose is to be happy. So be happy. Don't take tension for the exams. Don't take tension for this pandemic period. Everything comes and everything goes. Nothing is permanent. Whether it is a sad, bad situation, good or happy situation, nothing is permanent. This sad situation where you are not able to come to school will go away someday. Have faith on God. Now, let us start with the revision of lesson number 5. So, I will clear the board so that I can write the theory of lesson number 5 for you all. Please take out your rough book and on the new page, please give the heading lesson 5 revision. In the previous lecture, we have just finished the revision of objectives of lesson number 4. Now, in 2 days, most probably, we will finish the revision of lesson number 5 objectives, and then again we will jump on to lesson number 3. So, this way at least objectives I'll make sure that we will cover. Now, please give the heading lesson 5 revision. I'll give you 2 seconds for that. Okay dear students, I hope at least you have given the heading lesson 5 revision, and as you know that every day I tell you to write it, so I hope that all of you are at least ready before watching my lecture with your books. Now we are going to start with the revision of lesson number 5. So in this lesson also we will first try to cover all the objectives so that at least objective part you can get revised in the lectures itself, and by the time the exam approaches you have to just revise it once. So let's get started with lesson number 5 revision. Please make sure that you have to write the questions as well. You know that we write the question and then the answer. So let's write the question. You know the format. When I am writing, you also have to write. That means no extra time for the questions. Please also mention today's date where you have given the heading lesson number 5. So first we are going to revise obviously hard words. So please give the heading hard words. Now for those who are not watching my lecture regularly, let me tell you, we always first I prefer to revise hard words. Why? Because whether it is give one word answer, 2 example answer, question answer, FB, everywhere spelling is must. Make sure sometimes in a haste you make total waste. Yes, sometimes in hurry when you try to type the answers in your online exam, you write incorrect spelling. So make sure if it is only of 20 marks and you are getting a lot of time at least more than that what you are getting in the school. Please make sure after you write the paper, after you type it, you check your spellings, and that's why you are practicing the hard words. So I hope that you are giving the test without the help of any books. So in that case, you need to remember the hard words. Please give the heading hard words. I'll write few hard words and then I'll give you the time. I'll repeat the hard words. Also, I'll ask you to repeat. This way, within no time, we will be able to revise the hard words. Let's get started. Hard words. Number 1, liquid. Liquid, liquid. Number 2, condensation. Condensation, condensation. Number 3, evaporation. Evaporation, evaporation. Number 4, melting. Melting, melting. Number 5, freezing. Freezing, freezing. Number 6, definite. Definite, definite. And number 7, flow. Flow. Please write the hard words properly with good handwriting in your book. I'll give you 2 seconds. For 2 seconds I'll go away from the board so you'll get a clear idea the 7 hard words are there. Please make sure you leave one line and you write. Like also in the previous lecture, I have asked you to leave one line for each objective. So when you leave one line, your work looks neat and clean, so that I'll be able to evaluate whatever you have given me. Now I'll read the spelling one time and the word one time. Then I'll ask you to read with me. So number 1, liquid, liquid. Number 2, condensation. Condensation, condensation. Number 3, evaporation. Evaporation. Number 4, melting. Melting. Number 5, freezing. Freezing. Number 6, definite. Definite. And number 7, flow. See, I have not taken all the hard words. Maximum time which the words you will have to use in your exam, that is what my focus is, and that is why I have selected few hard words. I have just filtered it. And when you are sending me the work, at that time when I feel that these are the words which you are making the mistakes in again and again, those hard words I have selected. Okay, now let us repeat it one time. I hope you will repeat after me. Even I will request to parents who are watching the video, please help your child to repeat after me. Let's get started. Number 1, liquid. Liquid. Number 2, condensation. Number 3, P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, evaporation. Number 4, M-E-L-T-I-N-G, melting. I hope students you are repeating after me. Number 5, F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G, freezing. Number 6, D-E-F-I-N-I-T-E, definite. Number 7, F-L-O-W, flow. I hope students you are repeating after me. Now we are going to shift to the second part of objective in today's lecture. So I'll clear the board and please give the heading fill in the blanks on the new page. Obviously, even if you have the space on the same page, you are going to write on another page because you also have to write the questions if you remember. Now onwards, I give you the time to write the question. So please make sure you have to write the question for that new page, please. So I am going to clear the board so that I can write the next heading, fill in the blanks. I hope you are doing the work great. Let's give the heading, fill in the blanks. Have you given the heading? Please give the heading quickly. Okay students, now you know the format, very easy format. I am going to write the questions here. What do you have to do? Yes, you also have to write the questions in your books. Let's get started. Number 1. Water exists in dash forms. Water exists in dash forms. Number 2. Solids dash be poured into container. So the question is solids dash be poured into container. Number 3. Dash flows easily. Dash flows easily. Number 4. Water changes into dash when heated. Water changes into dash when heated. And number 5. Air is the mixture of many dash. I hope students you are writing the questions. I know that it is not possible for everyone to write in this speed. I am not telling you to write it at once. You can watch the lecture again and again, because as many times as you will watch the lectures, it is good. You will be able to revise the topic again and again. rather than just revising your answers from the books. It is like boring and boring and boring. It's good, you can watch the lecture, you can revise it again and again, because for every objective I am planning to make the lecture. But make sure for the first time you have to write from the lecture and send it to your follow-up teachers. Yes, many parents and many students are calling me, texting me that sir, we are enjoying the lecture. So I really appreciate those students who are watching the lectures regularly. Okay, for 2 seconds I will keep the board empty. I hope students you are writing the questions properly. Please leave one line. When you are writing, please leave one line. Like I said, so that your content will be clearly seen and your work will be neat and clean. Okay, now students, I will read the question, all the questions one more time, so that you will get a bit more time to write the questions in your book. So, number 1, water exists in dash forms. Number 2, solids dash be poured into container. Number 3, dash flows easily. Number 4, water changes into dash when heated. Number 5, air is the mixture of many dash. Please write the questions. I hope you all are trying to copy down the questions as fast as possible. At least I hope you have written 4 questions and 5th you can write while we are even solving it. So let's solve these answers. Now students, water exists in dash form. In how many forms water exists? Do you remember the name of this lesson 5? What is the name of this lesson 5? Solid, liquid and gases, right? Solid means you can say that ice is of blue color, ice cubes are of blue color. So ice, which is solid. Then in what else form water exists? Liquid, obviously. So for suppose this is a glass of water and this is the water inside. So liquid, right? Water is the pure liquid. And what is the third form? Gas. So when you keep the container, on the gas, if the water is there inside, it will form the smoke, vapor. So vapor. So in these 3 forms, water, in these 3 forms, liquid exists. Right or wrong? Solid, liquid and gas. So how many forms? 3 forms. Okay, so let us write the answer 3. I hope you are also writing the answer, students. Water exists in 3 forms. I have already depicted here: solid, liquid and gas. It can be even ice or water itself or in a smoke, vapor. So 3 forms. Okay. Then number 2. Solids dash be poured into container. Solids. Now this is solid, ice cube. Can we put it into the? Can we pour it into the glass? Can we pour the ice in the glass? We cannot pour. We can put it. Correct? We cannot pour it like a water in a glass. Can we? No, we cannot. So we cannot pour solid in any container, whether it is a glass or any other vessel. So can we? We cannot. So cannot is the answer. Cannot be poured. So solids cannot be poured into container. Please make sure you are writing the answers with me and you are trying to understand the answer. If you will understand it, you will no more have to by heart the answer. Immediately you will be able to understand the question and write the answer. Now number 3, dash flows easily. Come on, think about the answer. Okay, I have given you 3 to 4 seconds. Did you think about the answer? Dash flows easily. Obviously, water, that means liquid, any liquid, whether it is a water, juice, even the blood, these all are the liquids. Milk, correct? So liquid flows very easily. Liquid is the correct answer. I hope students you will write the answer along with the question, because I'm making the lecture in the way that you will get the time to write the questions, you will get the time to understand the questions which I am explaining. Now, number 4, water changes into dash when heated. So I have already shown you this diagram, that when water is heated, what is formed? What is formed when water is heated? Vapor, right? So water changes into dash vapor, obviously V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. So when water is heated, it will change into the vapor, into smoke. So water changes into vapor when heated. When you heat it, when you put it on the gas or any flame, any light, any fire. Now, last one, number 5. Air is the mixture of many dash. Air is the mixture of many trees? No. Air is the mixture of many solids? No ways. Air is the mixture of many gases. So, carbon dioxide, oxygen, every gas is there in the air. Air is the mixture of all the gases. So, gases is the answer. Have a look on the answers. Okay, now students, is the time for you to repeat the fill in the blanks after me, and then I will end the lecture here. Now I hope you are enjoying this, because little work in one lecture and in detail you are writing, questions you are getting, explanations you are getting. After this, I suppose you should write fantastic paper. Don't you think so? Okay, so please be ready to repeat after me. You have to repeat in the way I am speaking. Let's get started. Water exists in dash forms. Answer 3. One more time, students. Water exists in dash forms. Answer 3. Which are they? Solid, liquid and gas. Next one. solids dash be poured into container. Answer cannot. One more time students, solids dash be poured into container. Answer cannot. Number 3, I hope you are repeating loudly and clearly as I am doing. Number 3, dash flows easily. Answer liquid. Let us repeat it one more time. Dash flows easily. Answer liquid. Number 4, water changes into dash when heated. I hope you are repeating after me. Answer vapor. I have already shown you here that if you keep the container on the gas, on the any fire flame, the water will start boiling and vapor will come out of that container. Anyways, one more time, water changes into dash when heated. Answer vapor. And the last one, air is the mixture of many dash. Answer gases. One more time we will repeat, one last time I should say. Air is the mixture of many dash. Answer is gases. Now please have a look on the answers if you have written correct or not. Please check your spellings. Check that whether you have written the answers correct or not. Okay students, I hope you have written the questions and the answer of FB. See, I am trying to cover less thing in one lecture. We don't have to rush, we don't have to run. Easily, gradually we will do everything. But please make sure that in one lecture, I am trying to cover only 2 topics. That too of objectives. For you to understand and to grasp it. So, I also hope that from your end, you are trying your level best. Whenever I am asking you to write the questions, you are doing it. Whenever I am asking you to repeat after me, you are also speaking at your home. Many students, many parents are sending me the message that sir, we are doing that and we are really enjoying. We are feeling that we are sitting in the class. So, I really appreciate those students for their appreciation, for their support. Now, I hope you have finished writing this. So, in today's lecture, we have done hard words, fill in the blanks, we have understood the pronunciation of hard words, we have done spellings. Then I have explained you FB questions and I have written the answers for you. So, I hope every day you will watch my lecture, you will do the revision and you will cover up the good marks in the exam. So, good luck for your preparation. We will come with the new videos. Till then, please make sure you revise the concept clearly. Goodbye. Take care.